What did you have for dinner tonight for your special treat?
Pizza.
Swallow your mouth and then tell me. Hmm? What type of pizza? Guess I'm competing with the Secret Life Pets. I'm losing. So did you have pepperoni pizza? Mummy's favourite.
Let's step over the polar bones.
Tristan? I thought you wanted to do a YouTube video. Wow. Look what Charlie had.
I do, but I'm getting a drink of water.
What did you have? You want some more of my nuts? What are you eating? Charlie? What are you eating? Candied nuts? Mommy's trying to chew them and chew them and chew them so I can swallow and not choke. Special dinner or ham and pineapple pizza with soy crisps.
I don't like soy crisps.
Is that your new favourite pizza now, pepperoni?
Yeah, but I don't like it with soy crisps.
Please take off the chain. This time
You don't like the pepperoni?
I promise.
It'll be yummier tomorrow.
This is gonna sound completely horrible, but
Say bye.
I fully trust you.
Subscribe. What do you say?
I guess everyone just
What do you say to the Tab family?
and you do have weird manners because you live in a
Charlie,
on a roof.
Tristan, Talia,
If you find Max,
Brad and Blanca family.
your best friend.
Thank you for tuning in.
You and me?
This is what I'm competing against. I'm not winning.
Mommy, what?
Normally he's bugging me to make a video all day. Now it's TV. Trying to get zoom in. There we go. Hey Brad,
Brown and white. He's
the other B2 name. How are you, honey?
sparkle in his eye.
He sounds dreamy.
I have no idea.
Are you excited about being a YouTuber?
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Yeah? Do you reckon we're going to get many subscribers?
I wouldn't have a clue.
Heaps.
Hmm?
Especially say, yeah, heaps.
Oh, yeah, heaps.
Especially since we don't know how to edit videos.
What are these?
Don't eat my other nuts.
What are nuts? These nuts, what?
Macadamias.
Macadamias?
Macadamias.
Macadamias?
I'll swap you macadamia for one of these.
Pico?
Come on. No, not all of them. You piggy. So you stole one of my nuts to steal a handful of my other nuts. Mind the mess, guys. Take you of a tour. We live in a very small house. These are our girls. There's two colours stripy one. That's Rainbow Dash. The one right there. It's Cutie Pie. The dark one at the back is mine. And that's Pinky. Named after my favourite artist, Pink. This is CP. Hello, beautiful girl. Are you a beautiful girl? Yeah. I'm not using my wheelie walker right now because there's not much room to fit it in the house. Gotta cover the mess from my son's room because it's disturbing. This is our other daughter. Meow meow. We have one more fur baby. Her name's Chloe. These are all my feeds. Oh my goodness. Too painful. Chloe. Sit. Sit. Good girl. This is Chloe. I've had her for 10 years now. 11 years. I've had her since she was 2. She's now 14. 12 years. Anyway, it's the end of the little tour. And just a quick introduction. Me, Blanca. Got a new look today. I look like I've been bashed in the eyes. Yep. Practicing my makeup. I'm an old learner, but like life says, you're never too old to learn. Never too old to start. Alright. Back to my humble abode with my feed tube. So I'm about to go back on my feed. So what I have to do, that there, get that tube, get this end, take that, lock that in place. So it's nice and connected. That. Now go over here. Press start. And we have to flush it very frequently. It's the way I keep hydrated because I cannot drink enough. At the moment, it's either I drink or I can eat. So if I hydrate through my feeding tube, it goes straight to my lower intestine, so it doesn't make me really, really full, and thus allowing me to eat a bit more protein and a bit more food so I don't feel lethargic and end up passing out. So right now, putting up 60 mils, which looks like that. Put it aside. Yeah. That's it. Put that in there. Sorry about the lighting. And go like this. Turn it like that so the line's open. And you squeeze very gently. If you squeeze too fast, it'll make me gag and it won't end up being a very nice video. I just thought I'd show you what my nightly thing is. So I'm going to get another one. So if I do that every 2 to 4 hours, and make sure that I stay well hydrated, which is great because it means I won't pass out. And in the last couple of weeks, I passed out about 6 times and have a fair few bruises and scabs on my head from hitting my head. So it's not a good look, it's not a good feeling. But yeah, that's that. So now I'm eating my dinner, which is protein fiber plus at the rate of 40 mils per hour. Oh, and only way I can try and sit is to make sure my spinal cord does not end up on there, or my hip doesn't end up on there, so I'm kind of lopsided, and to be able to be on my back. Otherwise I live my life like this, on my side. Mind the mess. I have power drinks, I've got nuts, I've got deflam, tissues. I found from the tube this time, my nostril, I don't know if you can see, is quite deformed right now. And it's a bit infected, so it's kind of gross. I took my fake lashes off, so it doesn't look quite as impressive, and I look like I got bashed in the eyes. But hey, beauty is not easy. Some, yes it is. People like me, not so much. So I'll be piecing, probably coming up, I'm going to be piecing up here to see if that'll help me with my regular migraines and my photo something sensitivity. I'm very, very sensitive to light. Gives me migraines. And hopefully on another upcoming video I'll get rid of these grey hairs for you, because I'm only 38 years young. And look, my lipstick's all uneven. Anyway, there's that. So subscribe, you know, red button down below if you like to see what our family gets up to. Today we went and visited our mother-in-law. She's unfortunately just lost her best friend, which was her dog, that she absolutely adored. So we were unable to visit her before he passed because he was biting our daughter, so it was a safety concern. So we waited until he passed to be able to go and visit. Today we got to go and see her, and it was really great. I haven't seen her in a while, and yeah, it was quite nice. So now we're home, hubby's in the shower, kids are finishing their dinner, then we'll do story time, and then bedtime, which means they'll probably fall asleep, if we're lucky, 8:30, if not, much later. But let's hope for, what's the time now? No clue. It can't be right. That's more like it. So nearly 7 o'clock, so bedtime. Anyway, guys, subscribe. I'm sure the content's a little bit boring at the moment, but make sure to give us some suggestions. We are new at this, as we've said from the start. I haven't figured out how to put this on the computer and learn how to edit it, but I strive to learn. You're never too old to learn until you're dead, so plenty of time. And hope to speak to you guys soon. Cheers, take care.